Hi, my name is Lindsay and I'm Head of Client Support for JustFA Technology. Today I'm going to illustrate how quick and easy it is as a back office user to register a new client onto your white labelled JustFA client portal. To register a new client, we first of all have to log into the JustFA platform as a back office user and click sign in. You will then meet with a landing page, which is your home dashboard. And to register the new client, we want to move to the left-hand side and select Clients. From here, we then want to move to the right-hand side and click on the three dots to the right-hand side and select Create New Client. From here, we're met with a further window, which gives us a summary of all the clients, and we then want to select New Client Creation. The next window that appears is a new client creation window, and from here is where we set up the automated email templates, which has been inbuilt to the back office of JustFA. Each mandatory field, is highlighted with an asterisk. So from here, I want to pull down my company name. I want to select the client registration email template, which will be automated upon registration of the client. And I want to select Next, which is positioned on the right-hand side. From here, we're met with a further window, which is a new client creation, and this is where we can help facilitate client onboarding of the client data. But for now, we're going to click Skip. From here, we're then met to this is where we key in personal information of the new client. To register a new client onto the JustFA platform, there is 5 key pieces of information that we require. And to enter this information, we want to select Add Row, and we want to enter the client's title, client's first name, surname, client's date of birth, which can be entered as free text, or you can use the radial date facility to the right-hand side. We need the client's postcode, and we also need the client's own unique email address. You will see that it's pre-populated already with my advisor name as I am logged in to the JustFA platform as the advisor. If, however, you are administrator, you then will have the facility to select your relevant advisor that this particular client has been assigned to. But for now, I then want to click to the right-hand side. You will see there's a further 3 dots. Click on the 3 dots and I want to click Save. That locks in the information that we have just rekeyed and now generates the blue Create button. When we click Create, the system will automatically register the client onto JustFA and will automatically send out an automated email rebranded with your company name to confirm that the client has been registered onto the JustFA platform. This will also provide a link to the client to activate their account and create their own unique password. I hope you have found this video useful. Please now take a look at the other handy videos that we have available within our library. Thank you for watching.